Darkness will test the courage of even the strongest hearts. The ground trembles as the armies of shadow descend. Red eyes pierce the night. Kyle stands unyielding, eyes sword glowing with ancient blue runes, ready to confront the blue energy meeting red. Sparks fly. Thunder shakes the walls. A battle of light against darkness, destiny against tyranny. The Shadow King falters. His dark reign crumbles as the cursed blade shatters.
I know you all have been seeing this kind of video on different channels on YouTube. And guess what? You can also create this kind of video using AI tools. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to create this kind of realistic movie using AI tools. And it is very quite understandable. All you need to do is to just follow me from the beginning of this video till the end, and by the time you watch this video till the end, you will understand how this works and how to create a short movie using AI tools with the help of ChatGPT and Grok or any other AI tools. You can easily create this kind of video. I know the way you just watch this video, you feel like, how do I come about it to create this kind of video? In this video, I'll be showing you step by step from the beginning to the end on how to create this kind of video. So if you're just joining, you're welcome. And if you're new to my channel, and also if you're here before, make sure you click the subscribe button and also drop a comment and let me know what you feel about this video under the comment section. So guys, I'm going to show you the step by step on how to do this. Let's go. Before we get started, all we need to do is to just head over to our ChatGPT. And also, if you have the free version, you can also use the free version, and you can also use the pro version of ChatGPT. So now on ChatGPT, all we need to do is to just ask ChatGPT to help us create a scene, like a short movie scene. That we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us to create a creativity scene to turn it to movie. So I'm going to be showing you everything right here, right now. Now this is my ChatGPT. I'm on my ChatGPT now. Now let me show you the script and the prompt I paste to ChatGPT to generate everything for me. So now this is our ChatGPT. So what I did was, okay, this is the prompt I paste ChatGPT to generate everything step by step, so we can use it to generate the exact video you just finished watching using ChatGPT and Grok, and also CapCut, because CapCut is the last part to join all your script together and also where to generate your voiceover. So I want to recreate the movie The Lord of the Rings. Okay, that was the question I asked. Like, I wanted to create something similar to Lord of the Rings with just AI using the image to video using Grok. How do we go about it? This is the question I asked ChatGPT. Then immediately ChatGPT give me some, advice that I cannot create the exact movie of that this thing because of copyright issue and stuff like that. So then ChatGPT now said, okay, now okay, let's read it. But he said, but you can create your own original fantasy epic inspired by this style. And honestly, that's even better for YouTube monetization. Let's break it down step by step, like a real production. So now step one, create your own version, original concept. Then the Crown of Anthony, Realm of the Shadow. So then it gives me like 4 titles of any movie that I wanted to create. Then I decided to choose number 2, which is Realm of the Shadow King. So now immediately I choose this, then let's scroll down. Then I paste it and said, okay, have choose this Realm of the Shadow King, and now I want the full prompt with character consistency. So when you're asking ChatGPT question, make sure you add this character consistency of a thing, because so that all the character will look the same from beginning to the end, so the character will look different from each other. So immediately I paste this, then ChatGPT starts work. Then from here it starts with the character, then the first character, which is the main hero, character anchor name. You can see this is the name. It generates everything, and also the prompt of this is the master hero consistency prompt of how the main hero looks like. This is the character consistency of how the main hero looks like. So from here, then I move it. When I scroll down, you will see Shadow King, Valiant Anchor. So this is the another character prompt. So this is another character prompt for the video. Then the next thing, scroll down, this is another character. So immediately you saw this prompt. Now we are going to head over to Grok. Before we head over to Grok, you will see these are the prompts for each scene. We have 15 cinematic scene prompt that is structured by ChatGPT. We have 15 cinematic scene prompts that was structured by ChatGPT for everything. So those one we just see the prompt I just show you are for character consistency. Those prompts are for the character. Those are the prompts that we are going to use to generate the character before we move down to turn everything to video. With Grok, you don't even need to generate image first. Grok will generate video directly for you. That's one thing about Grok. Grok will give you turn your text to video directly. Make sure you paste everything accordingly. So the first thing we need to do is to just head over to our Grok, which is this. Then this is the first scene. As you can see, this is the first scene. So if you see here, you can see massive medieval king. The first scene here shows the kingdom structure. The first scene here shows the kingdom structure, which is massive medieval kingdom of, you can see, cliffside at sunrise, banner waving. So the first scene shows the kingdom. Then now after that, then we move to the second scene, which is the prompt. Okay, let's check it out. What was the second scene say? It says use Valiant Anchor plus add this inside volcano throne chamber. So this is quite very easy. ChatGPT will break everything down for you so that you will understand and know how to generate everything from beginning till the end, so you won't make any mistake. So now copy it. Make sure you go over and copy anchor prompts. This is the main hero. So we are going to copy anchor Shadow King, which is the Valiant Anchor. Shadow King is the Valiant Anchor. So we are going to copy everything here till this place. Then you copy everything here to here. Let me say, okay, something like this. You copy it from here till here. Then you copy it, bam. Then after that, head over to your Grok back and paste it. You can see this is when I pasted everything here. Then I hit on generate. I hit on this black arrow to generate the video. Then immediately generate. This is the result. You can see the result was quite massive and cool. Then the next thing is to just move over to the third scene, which is for the main hero. Then you head over to your ChatGPT bag. Then you copy your first main hero character prompt. Then you copy everything as well and head over to Grok back. Then you paste it. As you can see, immediately I paste it. Then you go back and copy the prompts for the scene 3, which was use hero anchor plus add this. Then you copy this and also add it to the text, the one you have pasted on the on Grok for the scene 3. So immediately you paste everything, then you hit on generate. Grok will generate everything for you and you will see that the result was quite massive. This is how I do everything from beginning till the end, and the character were all consistency, turn by turn, till I generated everything. It was turn by turn and it looks cool. So now after you have generated all your videos, short clips, because it's not going to longer than 10 seconds if you are using Grok Pro, because if it is free version, the video will be only 5 seconds, but if it is pro version, it is going to give you 10 seconds, because all these video are 10 seconds each. So now the next part is our voiceover, because you're going to generate voiceover for it. Then go back to your ChatGPT, scroll down, and after that, scroll down and said, I want a voiceover script for this movie. Just put that, then ChatGPT will generate voiceover for everything. Then after that, it will generate it separately. Then the next thing is to just ask, join all together. It will join all the voiceover together so that you can be able to copy and paste it on 11 Lab, because I use 11 Lab to generate my voiceover. So now now this is the script for the voiceover. Now we have the script for the voiceover. Then all you need to do is to just copy and head over to your 11 Lab. Immediately you copy everything, then head over to your 11 Lab. Now here is where we are going to turn our script to voice, this which is text to speech. Then you choose the kind of voice you want, then you hit on generate. Make sure you save the voiceover to your laptop, your phone, or whatever you're trying to use to create your video. So the next thing is to go back to our CapCut, which is the last part. We are going to head over to our CapCut for the last part. Then after that, we are going to generate everything smoothly and make sure you make it looks very interesting for people to, click it and watch it. Import all your video to your CapCut. Immediately you import all your video to your CapCut, rearrange everything accordingly. So let me play it and see.
In the realm of Eldoria, atop the cliffs where the wind whispers secrets of old.
You have to import your voiceover and also all your video clips that you generate from Grok. Then immediately you import everything. Then you bring everything together. You start, in the start, adding everything together to make long form video. The video is about 3 minutes, so immediately you do that, so you see that everything will be flowing. Just make sure you mute the sound so the sound won't be distracting. You can also get a background sound. You can also use a background sound for this stuff. As for me, I have a background sound that I wanted to use. Then I'll just bring it down here. I'll just paste it here, and immediately I paste it, then I'll lower the volume of the background sound so that it won't be higher than the normal voiceover sound that I'm using.
Shadow.
You can
Kyle,
see.
the fate of Eldoria rests in your hands. Darkness will test the courage.
So this makes sense now. Then after that, after you've done that, all you need to do is to just click on export. Then after you do that, click on export, create your thumbnail, and your video is ready to be posted on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also drop a comment what you feel about this tutorial. So go over to my channel and learn a lot from there, and also make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe guys, and make sure you share the video to someone that may need this video to learn how to create a movie like this with AI tools. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.